Let me tell you something that a lot of business owners ignore until it becomes a problem. A cookie consent banner is not just an annoying little bar at the bottom of your screen. It is actually a really important part of running a professional website. Because if your site uses analytics, marketing tools tracking pixels, or third-party embeds, you need to let people know that your website is using all these things. You need their consent for GDPR or CCPA, for example. So if you run an online business, a blog, an agency, whatever it is, your website is already using cookies in some way. So in this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a cookie consent banner in WordPress for an Elementor website using Cookiebot by Usercentrics. You can customize it to match your brand better, and it is honestly one of the things that you need to set up from the very beginning. So let's get started. So if you don't know why this is so important, I'm going to explain it to you right now. A lot of people focus so much on the homepage, on the design, the offers, lead magnets, sales page, and they overlook this one thing. You are responsible for how you run your site. So for any site, you need to have your business details there, you need a privacy policy, and one of those things that you really need to have is a cookie consent banner because it helps with privacy compliance, transparency, user trust, and just making sure that your website is run in a responsible way. So if you want the perfect tool to add this cookie consent banner to your WordPress website inside Elementor, Cookiebot by Usercentrics is the one for you. I'm going to teach you how easy it is to add it and to brand it for your business. So Cookiebot is a consent management platform that helps you add a cookie consent banner to your website, scan for cookies, organize consent categories, and manage user consent in a way that fits privacy requirements more easily. So it is a plugin that helps automatically scan. It is more than just adding a random pop-up on your page. It is built to be more of a complete system. So let's get it done together. The first thing you want to do is go install the Cookiebot WordPress plugin. So you can go ahead and install it from there or by using the link below and uploading the plugin. So go to plugins, add new, search for Cookiebot or Usercentrics Cookiebot, or again download it at the link below and then upload it. Install it, activate it, and then open the plugin settings. So if your website is already running on WordPress and with Elementor, this is the easiest place to start. Before I connect this to WordPress, I want to configure the banner properly inside Cookiebot first. One important step here is the language setup. This is where I choose the languages I want the banner to support so the content can adapt properly based on the preferences I set for the site. That matters because I don't want the consent banner to feel disconnected from the rest of the website. I want it to feel like part of the same experience. Another thing I definitely want to enable here is the privacy trigger. This is really important because it gives visitors a way to reopen the consent settings later and update their choices at any time. So it's not just about showing the banner once, it's also about making those privacy choices accessible afterwards, which makes the whole setup feel much more complete and user-friendly. So what the scanner does is detect the cookies and trackers running on the website, classify them, and help present that information to the visitor inside the banner and consent layers. Now let me show you the easiest way to implement this on a WordPress site. Since I already installed the Cookiebot plugin, I don't need to use the manual script as my main setup here. The simple workflow is go to the implementation section inside Cookiebot, copy the domain group ID, then go into the WordPress plugin settings, paste that ID in, connect the account, and save the setup. That's the cleaner and more automated method for WordPress, and it keeps the whole process much easier. Then from inside the plugin, I can choose my preferences and make sure everything is connected properly before checking how the banner looks on the live site. If you want, there's also a manual script option, and that can be useful for non-WordPress websites or if you prefer manual implementation. But for WordPress, the plugin route is the easiest one and the one that I recommend first. If you want to use the manual script approach, you'd place that inside the appropriate header or custom code area of your site setup. Then you see if you want the layout to be a dialog or a bar. I want it to be a bar. You can have an effect, position top or bottom. And then you can choose a theme. You can choose the highlight color, for example, to match your website. we're going to leave the text like that. The button, the background, I'm just going to use this color right there. The border as well. Same thing for all the buttons. You can create that so it matches your website and it looks really nice. As you can see, you can display the logo on your banner if you want to. You can have your logo right there. So just implied consent or explicit, multi-level, accept only, accept decline, reject all, allow all, okay, territory, and there you have it. Then we click next, and then when you visit the site, this is going to just show up right here. As you can see, this website uses cookies, necessary, preferences, statistics, marketing, show details, allow all, allow selection, or deny. So this is something that you can do, and it looks really, really nice on your website, as you can see. And yeah, it allows you to customize it with your own colors, with your own links. So it looks really, really good, and we've done this in less than 5 minutes. So there you go. This is how you can use Cookiebot by Usercentrics to create a really good cookie banner inside your website, inside your Elementor website on WordPress. So if you want to try it out for your business, make sure to click the link below and customize your site with a beautiful cookie banner that is professional and that is necessary for any business. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!